Final video to fix games not showing or working in the Citron Emulator. Are you frustrated because your games don't appear, crash, or refuse to start no matter what you do? This usually happens because the emulator isn't configured properly. Game files are corrupted or required system components like DirectX or Visual C++ are missing. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall the emulator, edit hidden files, or run complicated commands, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes this problem quickly and safely in just a few simple steps. First, we'll check and fix the game files to ensure they're intact, then update or install required system components so the emulator runs smoothly, and finally configure Citron settings so your games appear and work properly. This method works on almost all Windows PCs, keeps your game files safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix games not showing or working in Citron Emulator, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through on Rexist. Try this trick today and enjoy your games running perfectly without crashes or missing titles.